Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your HP Chromebook for an A. You can do it in two different methods. Either press on this button in the bottom right corner which opens the control center. Now click on this power icon and click on Shutdown. Or if you want to do it in a quicker way, you'll see on the keyboard there is the power button right here. Press and hold on it for just 3 seconds and now you'll see this screen. This screen lets you select what to do. So let's click on Shutdown. And now the laptop is off. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.